My name is Magnolia Galindo Pachon. I live in the city of Bogota. I am married and we have a son. I like to travel with my family and sport. Then will describe in the room and me study and country difference and picture 1 and picture 2. In the picture 1 is the room and differentiate the study B. 1 is color salmon. 2 there is matera. 3 is window. 4 is family. 5 has two picture. 6 is be at home. In picture 2, in the study, in the third differences are 1. There is a window. 2. There is only one chair. There is contains a studies. 4. Has a beige. There is are two lamp. Lamp 1 and lamp 2. 6 has a library. Thank you very much.